Hello there. My name is Faith Walia. I am a Zambian that lives in the diaspora. I live in Canada, but my mom and dad live in Zambia. I left Zambia about 15 years ago. And home is always home. I always think of Zambia. And one day I got a phone call that mom is not feeling well. She was having chest pain. She was having difficulties breathing. So I flew back home just to go see my mom. And then I took her up to UTH and saw a specialist there that she was actually like a cardiologist, and she told me that your mom, she has got biventricular failure. She's got blockages within her coronary artery, and she's gonna need an angiogram, and that service is not available within Zambia. So she said, you've got to take your mom out of the country very quickly, otherwise you will lose your mom. So we were so devastated, and we didn't know exactly what we were going to do. So we were making some arrangements, hoping to take my mom up to South Africa and probably Canada and US. But the costs everywhere were so high, and we didn't know how we were going to do it. And then we began to think of India. And then somebody finally introduced us to Dr. Subi Sudan. And when I started talking with her over the phone, we actually found that India was going to be a very suitable place for us, and we found that a lot of Zambians and a lot of Africans have been coming up to India actually. So Dr. Subi made some arrangements that me and my mom and my dad flew up to India on the 11th of June. My mom, she had had an angiogram done, and they found that she's got a mitral valve that was severely damaged. And they actually found that her coronary arteries, they were not actually blocked as previously stated by the doctors at the UTH. So my she's had a surgery. Dr. Subi made some arrangements that we come to India, and we got here on the 11th of June, and the surgery was done on the 18th of June. Mom is feeling so much better. She no longer has any shortness of breath. She doesn't have any chest pains anymore. She's getting better, getting stronger day by day, and we will be going back home on the 6th of July, which is a few days from now. I'm very thankful. I owe a lot of gratitude to Dr. Subi and her team. They've been very wonderful. They've really treated us as part of their family. They've taken my parents just as their mom and dad. So I really encourage anyone that is out there within Africa wondering if their loved one is going to survive, just get in touch with Dr. Subi. She will help you, just as she helped me and my family. So I wish Dr. Subi a lot of God's blessings, that she will continue this good work that she's doing. She's got a wonderful team of employees who are so dedicated up to her cause, and she links you up with appropriate hospitals and appropriate doctors that suit your medical need. So please don't hesitate, give her a call and she will help.